how to make an infinite lava source in Minecraft. So there are two ways to do this. So you could do this before you created the world or after you created the world. So I'm just gonna show the first one. So when you're going to create a world, you simply need to click on more here on the top right, and then click on game rules and just scroll down till you see the world updates tab right here. Then just simply make sure that lava converts to source is turned on. And once it's done, you can just create your world and open it up. But if you already have created your world, what you can do is enable cheats. And to do that, just simply click on escape, click on open to land, make sure that the allow command is turned on. Now, once that's done, you simply need to type in game rule, then lava source conversion to true, just like that. Then just simply click on enter. Now, just go. So just make or destroy 4 blocks right here. I'm just gonna go convert to creative first, or I mean survival. As you can see, I'm now on survival, and I'm gonna make an infinite lava source. So put one lava bucket here on the opposite side and another one on the other side. And now as you can see, we now have our infinite lava source. So when I go get some lava, as you can see, it will just refill and it won't go out just like that. And that's how you basically make an infinite lava source in Minecraft.